Hello and welcome to my first build video, part 1 of my 5-inch gauge ex-LNER A1 Pacific which will be number 60163 Tornado. For railway enthusiasts, know that is the brand new built steam engine completed in 2008 and is a regular performer on the main line. And I decided that I wanted something different, so now I have decided, I've bought the drawings, I've done my own design, as this is going to be an electric engine, because I like electric. My card mock-up frame, and I've got the metal, they're all clamped together, drilled and bolted together. One is marked out, I've started drilling holes, and I've just been and got hole saw for drilling the bogie and the pony wheel set, one of the pony wheel sets. I have bogie already, bought that a couple of months ago, couldn't be bothered to make it so I bought it, and one of the driving wheel sets with axle boxes already done. So I'm hoping going to get the other set later on. So I'm going to get on cutting these frames out, and I will put an image of this engine in now to show you, to people, to show what it looks like. One of my own images I've taken of the engine. So now I'm going to get on with this now, and I will show you afterwards when I've welded them. I'm going to start welding them together, because I do welded fabrication frames. Don't have any problems with them. They don't move at all, so why bother? Right, 3 days since my last bit of footage, but this is my chassis now. Got the rear drag box on. I know it's not how you normally make models, but this is how I make my models, out of scrap metal. First set of wheels is on. I got another one coming, and I gotta go find the drivers. Bogie is an off-the-shelf B1 bogie, which suits it nicely. And the front buffer beam is on, with its number painted on there temporarily until I get the smoke box done. So that is Tornado to date. Till the next, and now it will jump. Right, this is the end scene of the first part of my 5-inch gauge project video. It's been quite a few days since the last scene. Today I have been to put the rear frames on, all bolted up now. I've even got my second set of driving wheels in the frames. I'll put an image now of it on the side. It's just easy to put my camera up on a tripod and just video. So this is it so far. It is near enough a rolling chassis, which isn't bad considering I only cut the frames about a week ago. Just over a week ago now I cut the frames. So this is it so far. It's few things I am now designing to go in it. It is having a pump in it. It's going to have a compressor pump in the front end and a tank for whistles. Actually power steam whistles. Well, not steam, they'll be air whistles, but they'll work. Driven probably off the front axle. She's going to have batteries, which will be the firebox in the back end. She'll have 2 12-volt batteries and probably 2 in the frames as well. Power a speaker, and I'm hopefully going to get the TT Sound Tornado, take all the sound out of it, and hopefully get it to work in this. So when she accelerates, the sound will pick up and pull and make it sound realistic, I hope. Fingers crossed that is. But for now, I gotta go buy another wheels and the driving wheels, get all the axle boxes done to get a real rolling chassis by hopefully in the next 2 weeks. If all well, good being, and then I'm sourcing material to make my smoke box, and then make the ring and the door, and then she'll have a number, a smoke box door number 60163. And when she's got a smoke box, running boards, then she can have her smoke deflectors. And something else this engine will be fitted with, which will probably be in the back end, I took all the controls in the back end of it, will be LED headlamps. My 5-inch gauge castle has got LED headlamps, and she does run with them in the night, and they are effective. And as the real Tornado does run with LED headlamps, it will probably run with them all the time. Probably not switched on during the daytime, but they will have them. So that's something else. I got to put the electronics through the chassis, so I might find some very thin tube, tack it along the inside of the frame to run wires through, so I can have all the controls, electronic controls, in the back of the cab. I don't know how I'll access them because the tender is a genuine tender. Let's say this: I bought the drawings, and the tender drawings was wrong to the real thing. If you because I got the model of Tornado as well, I could have a look, and the tender was about 10 mil lower than what it should be. So I've redone the drawings for my tender standard as it should be to look the part. So tender driven for 2 motors in the tender, driving 2 axles each, and that gives me plenty of space to do my chassis for my electronics. It'll make it heavy, but I'm going to always ask for help to pick up this engine because it would be very nice. The livery is chosen. The image I put in the beginning of it will be Elenia apple green, with all the wheels painted, oil all lined up, the wheels all lined in black and white lining, and I've already found I can buy the lining transfers, so that's good. And as I said again, this isn't the genuine way to build a model steam engine. This is my own way. This is how I build them, how I turn them out, because I like building physically every single part of them, and then you just see it develop and build, and you're just like, at the end of it, I built that. Maybe not be a genuine steamer. I get a lot of abuse off club members at my local model engineering society for that, for building electric engines. But then I go to another club and they said, at least you're building a model, and you're doing something for the general model engineering name. Yes, someday I might build a steam engine, and then I will do a video on that. But for now, I'm happy building these because I could just turn them out, or I could just put money into them and build them, and then have playtime with them. So this is it so far. As I said, my 42 is in the back, over in the back, and I will also do bits on that in my build video. Even though it's mainly Tornado, I will do a build video on bits of that as well to show that being built, as it is virtually already a rolling chassis. And it did carry a name, but unfortunately I took it off. I got a lot of abuse off club members for that as well, because there's a 42 and they weren't named. But that's it from this part of my video, first part of this video. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you do like it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up to date with this video. So for me, now, this is the end of it. Thank you for watching, if you have watched it. Thank you very much.